Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tank. Taylor's here introducing a small homely tank setup. Let's go through. At the very top, lucky bamboo and lush pothos grow above the water, their roots dipping down through a green mesh that keeps everything secure. Just below, the gentle hum of the filters keeps water fresh and clear. Bright beams of aquarium light spill across the surface, bringing every color to life. In the middle, a lush jungle of aquatic plants sways with the current, giving shelter to playful parrotfish and their patterned tank mates. The red glows like a fire against the deep greens, each movement a flash of beauty.